Hi there, this is my dog Skye. And that's her Australian Shepherd puppy best friend, Summer. And I'm Valentina, and welcome to Doglife. From training, come. And making and eating dog treats. Puppies and pooches are our specialty. I also know a lot about dogs. Like, did you know Border Collies are from Scotland? Did you know that Australian Shepherds aren't actually from Australia? And did you know if you like and subscribe, my dog will be happy? The cutest puppers playing are here. Walks, fun, and treats. We welcome all true dog lovers. Welcome to Doglife.